One of the main causes of feeling overwhelmed at the beginning of the year is due to the anticipation on how good the upcoming year is gonna be. The current thinking about the future often involves setting goals that may not be achieved by the end of the year. Consequently, we feel bad about it. And with a new start, with a new year, motivation returns and it becomes an infinite cycle of procrastination and empty promises. To avoid this, I will share the best way to actually make this 2024 the best year of your life. And it's called the Wheel of Life, which basically involves taking an overview of all the aspects of your life and making improvements. It is as simple as searching for Wheel of Life on Google, which you will find a circle divided into 8 parts, which representing the main realms of human endeavor: health, social life, relationships, personal development, spirituality, family, career, and finance. Afterward, you need to ask yourself a question. What would I rate each of these aspects of my life on a scale 1 to 10? After this reflection, you will have a rough overview of your life. Here, for example, are my ratings of each realm. After this, you will rate one last aspect: joy. I believe one of the most important parts of being successful is to enjoy the journey. No matter what you're doing, it has to be intentional and enjoyable. Now you know where you are and where you want to be by the end of the year. The next step is to identify aspects rated below 7 out of 10. For each of these, you have to write down at least one thing you can do better every single day. And of course, you have to take action. This step is crucial because sometimes we overthink everything. We wait for the perfect time to start, when in reality, there's no such a thing as the perfect time to start. The reality is you don't have to make a complete extreme change overnight. In fact, doing so may lead to giving up faster. For example, one of the aspects you have to improve in your life is health, and you want to go to the gym but really have never done so. Starting with 3 times a week and progressively increase is a more sustainable approach. This method has been the best way for me to achieve goals. Setting small, achievable actions every single day has proven effective. As one of my favorite books, Atomic Habits, says, if you can get 1% better each day for 1 year, you will end up 37 times better by the time you're done. So that's basically it. Don't forget to stay uniquely.